Good morning, this is Lasagna, and I've created a restaurant table booking reservation system. So, for that, first I'll go through the front end course. So, there are actually two login pages, one for the user and one for the owner. So, in the owner page, we have the edit restaurant options. The options that have the restaurants that have been added can be removed or they can be updated. So, this is the code for that. For that, I'd like to say that for the front end, I've used React, and for the back end, I've used Node.js. And for databasing, I've used MongoDB. So now this is the new restaurant. When a new restaurant gets added, this code comes into play for a new restaurant to be added by the admin. And then the owner dashboard consists of the restaurant names, the the restaurant names, and the users who have booked tables in a particular restaurant. This is the owner dashboard code. And the restaurant info finally comes with play. If the restaurant uh, gets selected or when you want to load a restaurant data doesn't appear, the failure to load restaurant comes into play. And then when the restaurant is successfully deleted, the restaurant will be delisted for reservations. Like when reservation is cancelled, that part will go back to the reservation bar so that the another user can reserve the table. Uh, so that's all for the owner part and the admin part. And then we have the in the restaurant we have the new booking section, the restaurant details, the restaurant listing. Okay. And with the user, first the account in the account the user can see the hotels, the restaurants that are available, and then we can see the booking list. And then first we have the sign up part where a new user has to sign up first so that the next time they can log in directly. So in the sign up, once the sign up is successful, this message appears. Please log in. Once they've signed up, they have to log in again. Don't. And then in the sign in page, the user who has already signed up can sign in directly. Uh, and if the credentials are wrong, the error appears. Your credential is wrong. Can't log in. And then if a new user tries to log in, the not found, your email is not found, comes into play. Okay, so now let me move to the UI. So here, this is UI. First, I'd like to sign up. Entering my. So, if I am the restaurant owner, I'm supposed to give I'm owner of restaurant. So that it gets signed up like that. Just done my thing. So since I clicked on I'm signing up as an owner. This is the owner page and the owner page. If the owner has booked, the owner also can book a table like this by clicking the particular restaurant. So in the just as a restaurant, for every restaurant we have a description. So category Asian, the opening hours, the days closed, all are available. And then if the admin can also reserve a table for someone, the admin reserves a table. I'd like to give, let's go with 13 November, and the time I want it around 5. The number of people for two, and special requests in the sense if a child is present, a baby chair, or if you want any birthday celebrations in some particular themes, you can try to go with child sheet. So, So now I can reserve a table as the admin. So now if I can also cancel the reservation, I like to show you and then edit also. So next, let me go to my guests. I haven't, yeah, the bookings. We have this. The restaurant. If I can also create a new restaurant. Okay. So now let me log out and go to the user page. So as a user, I'm signing up again. Just give. So now the user login page appears. Join. And so now, as the user, I can reserve a table. 13, around 5 p.m. 7 people, and I don't have any special requests, so I'm proceeding. And then, um, as a user, I can only look at my booking, and if I want to cancel a booking or edit a booking, I can edit it. Like I want, I don't want 7 coming. Fine. So it gets edited. Now let me move to the database. Sure. So here, as for the bookings, we have here the ID. No special request was made. Previously, as the admin, also I made a booking, the child sheet, and here as John, another booking was made, so the bookings come here. And in the restaurants, for now, I've added only cafe coffee days, only cafe coffee days available. And then in users, we have finally John and Lasagna. I will just see demo. Um, that's all. Thank you.